madoda abahambe abahambe impela bashiyele emqashweni noze nifake imbuzi leyo mqasho bebagibela amateksi enu awekho amateksi bebasuke nawo le koZimbabwe koMozambique koNigeria beza nawo la bekungamateksi ala eSouth Africa Nkosi yami noze niwadayise ani benithenga nga5 amateksi niwathenga ngathi ama-loaf of bread hawu manje niwadayisa nga3 because abekho abantu abazogibela apho sikuthanda ukuhamba ngenyawo thina siyalibasha lezi ndlu bebanikhandela zona ngamanani aphansi umuntu akwakhela u2 room ngo3000 sangandi awuku2000 uroom engawakha ngo2000 if ngikwakhela iroom ngiqala ku5 ngiyaphezulu mangushipisele lamathazi banifakela wona ngo500 per room asishaye per room thina sikala square meter sicharge per square meter uthi ufake skating isicharge per meter skating akudlalwe shubile yabo labo Thailand lala kubona ukuthi kunemvula awazi noma iqhamuke eningizini noma iqhamuke enyakatho ngaphezulu eceleni lemijondweni lala kuyona ngathi indlu ezinje nisazolala kuyona nisazolala ngoba bekho abantu abazonikhandela izindlu manje ezishiphu khohlwa le miqasho yenu ebenibiza 1.5 nisazoyibiza 300 asingeni tu sis noze nibakhumbule ukukweleta nokweletapi hawe Johana unginika utamatisi lapha khipha uJohannes akunika utamatisi hayi Shoprite abanika utamatisi hayi nina nizoze nibakhumbule yeke izindlu beyonikhandela zona for free khona umuntu ongakwakhela u5 room ngo10000 yini le awususe phansi awubeka phezulu awurufe ngo10000 emome nyanyathe eGolgotha ungakhotha la ngeke awungeke nina nisazobakhumbula shem akufakela u5 room 5 room akufakela amathazi ku5 room ngo2.5 emome nyanyatho ungancinda la sorry ngeke akumali engaphuma nawo lapho Nkosi yami ngaphuma ngishishimba ngithi ngikha ngamaharafu square sami lo sishilo nje ukuthi hayibo ngiye ku skating ngithi nina nizozenza itate enjeni sazonyiwa nisazonyia nizoze nikhiphela ukugcina ifading itshompi leli ngaflasheki sikhona sinje ningibize ngiyakwazi ukwakha amathazi ngiyawafaka square meter sami siqala ku95 rand oh Nkosi shem iskating ngisibiza u20 rand per meter sibizeni ngani zakwethu sibizeni niyoze nibakhumbule nina shem sinani shaqa
else is saying uyabona ama foreigners amaningi umsebenzi bayazicreatela shem seningabazonda seningabashaya ngoba ninomona vele kodwa ama foreigners amaningi ayazicreatela umsebenzi uyabona kungaba umsebenzi enubukela phansi ofana nokuthi umuntu afuqa inqola edayisa amatamati estradini elokishini noma kube umsebenzi wokuthi this person has built a multi-million dollar trucking business. Kodwa when you go behind the story of every foreigner, they will tell you how they started from the grassroots. Okuyiyo nina into enisuka inenze nibe nomona because you don't have those fine skills to actually start a business from scratch. That is why uPhakela, when he had chased out ama foreigners from iPhaza, he came back on the same platform ayegqugquzele ngayo abantu ukuthi baxoshe ama foreigners eIphaza. Wabatshela ukuthi okwamanje we are not ready to run iPhaza because sisalinde uxhaso from uhulumeni. Yabona ukuthi ihlukana phi indaba? Nina nilinda uxhaso from uhulumeni ukuthi anikeze imali yokuqala iPhaza. Yet with a foreign national uqogelela imali encane leyanayo athengise otamati abathenge ngo100 rand. Uma ethengise labo tamati abathengise ngo100 rand uzothola u200. Kuleyo 200 astoke futhi ayenze u500. Kuleyo 500 astoke futhi ayenze u1000. Leyo mali igcina isifinyelele ukuthi usekane khono lokuthi arente isiphaza. Sekaqala uyagijima ke ngesiphaza sakhe. From isiphaza sekagcina esekane shop enkulu. Nina bese niyafika ngomona nenhliziyo ezimbi. Bese nithi how do foreigners succeed in our country? Ukhohle ukuthi lo foreigner lo othi how did he succeed in our country? Waqala efuqa inqola. Okuyinto wena ongazimisela ukuyenza because ubheka ukuthi abantu bazothini. Mina ngusipha sengifuqa inqola lokishini. Ngidayisa otamati abantu bazothini. That is why nilinde ukuthi uhulumeni anixhase. And guess what? Uhulumeni uma senixhasile futhi leyo mali asuke enixhase ngayo ethi eyamabhizinisi. Mhlambe esithi uhulumeni akunikeza u100,000 athi kumele uyenze ibusiness la elesiphaza. Kuleyo 100,000 u50,000 umthatha usebenzise for your personal things. Ongabe ukuthenga impahla, ukuthenga ukudla nokuflasha nje ebantwini, uphile nje that flashy life kubantu. Ufuna ukuzibonakalisa ngathi wena you are already there. Yabo. So that is where you and the foreigners differ. And iyona ke into egcineni kosuku enenza nina nibe nomona to the foreigners. But ngifuna nje ukuthi ngimbonge umuntu ofana noXoliswa because she is being an honest person. Yabona. Okuyinto abantu abaningi abangafuna ukuyibheka. Instead uma ubatshela iqiniso bona they run to attack you and insult you. Kodwa into engizontshela yona mahala ukuthi there is no amount of insults that you're going to throw on me that will change my perspectives. Azikho noma ngithi alukho uhlobo lwenhlambo ozongithuka ngalo oluzongishintsha ukuba yimina. Mangiqeda ukuqopha le video le sida ngizoyeziyela ejimini or bengibize on a call ukuthi okay kunomsebenzi othile esicela uzuze senzela wona la ungakwazi ukuthi ufike ngesikhathi esikanje. Uma ngifuna ukuya for leyo msebenzi I'll take that call ngibatshela ukuthi ya ngizoba available in the next 45 minutes to an hour. So noma ungeza ngeinhlamba zakho la ungithuke awusoze washintsha ama views wami and ayikho futhi into ozongenza yona. Ngisho namhlazana futhi ngingaze South Africa. Mina nawe sobe sihlala endaweni ezihluke kakhulu. Ukuthi uzufike kumina awuzobudlule kuma security amaningi kakhulu. They will exhaust you. Yobuyele emuva.
We wouldn't have such high influx of illegal foreigners in this country. Bese yaqhubeka nje comment yakhona siyaphansi. Kodwa ke thani ngikulaphi khanye kuzolapheka nabanye. The high influx of foreigners in South Africa is not because they want to be South African. They are there to look for opportunities. Eyizwa lonto. And into ezoba isimanga kuwe ukuthi these foreigners when they get whatever they want to get bayakutshela bethi after 5 years ngifuna ukuphindela ekhaya angifuni ukuhlala eSouth Africa. Do you know why? because abanye abantu, they don't feel safe in South Africa, number one. Number two, abanye abantu, they just don't like being in South Africa. They are there ngesimo esokuthi bafuna ukuya ngaphansi kwamakhala, bafuna ukuya ngasethunjini. So ungalenzi iphutha lokucabanga ukuthi abantu abaza eSouth Africa bezefuna ama-opportunities, they are there to seek for documentation to become South Africans. No. Even the people who are asking the government of South Africa to document them, abafuna ukuba documented because they want to be South African. Cha. They want to be documented so that it will be easier for them to do ama-transactions in South Africa. Okufana nokuvula ama-bank accounts. Eqonda loo nto. Okufana futhi nokuyofuna imisebenzi. Because mase befesa be legally documented to be in South Africa, it becomes easier. So uma nizwa abantu bethi bafuna ukuba legalized or documented in South Africa, some of them, they don't even want to be South African. They just want to be legalized so that life becomes easier for them. Ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza izinto zabo. Ungekho into ezothi sokumele akwazi usibanibani ukuze athole i-bank account, because kunabanye abantu ongathola ukuthi banemali abayithola through ukuthengisa izinto zabo, bayasaba ukuyigcina ezindlini zabo because naku nenkunzi iqhamile nje South Africa. So ungalenzi iphutha lokucabanga ukuthi illegal foreigners in South Africa, they want to be South African. No. Abantu usuku nosuku eSouth Africa baphila besevalweni. Even the South Africans, they tell you ukuthi this country is not safe. Wena bese ucabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ongafuna ukuhlala ezweni elinjalo. So ungazididisi ngento engekho. Abantu abase South Africa, they're just looking for opportunities. They don't want to be South Africans. That is why some of them, when they go, they don't even come back. Inkinga ukuthi